Michael.
Hello.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Can we go inside this train?
Yeah, absolutely. It's
Okay.
a pleasure.
So what kind of train are we riding in today?
So this is the Coradia Max regional train.
Oh, Coradia Max? What's that?
Oh yeah, so the Max is basically standing for maximizing capacity, maximizing efficiency, and maximizing flexibility. Have a seat.
Oh, nice, thanks. So Michael, how flexible is the Coradia Max?
Oh, it's very flexible. So especially about capacity, we have the
Yeah.
opportunity to have 3, 4, 5 and even 6 car units. And we're in a 6-car unit now. So this gives the operator the opportunity to change the capacity as per need, even over the lifetime. And
Wow.
speaking of flexibility in the interior, we have the opportunity even seasonally to change the layout from seating to bicycles.
Incredible. I
And-
love biking.
Oh yeah, so we can actually store up to 60 bicycles down here if you rearrange it by all bicycle racks. Huh?
No
Which is-
way.
yeah,
Okay,
it's
can we
great.
see another part of the train?
Oh yes, absolutely. Let's look at it. So it is not only about capacity for in terms of seats, and
Yeah.
it is also about inclusive capacity. So
Cool.
what we have is a really a level boarding. Inside here we got the wheelchair area. There's no stairs, no ramps, very accessible. And this is an awesome feature of this train. Huh?
How do you make it so that the train is flat?
It is only possible because we also have single deck cars in here, not just double deck cars, and
Okay.
it's the great opportunity to have this here all very flat and accessible.
Yeah, it's massive. I love it.
It's a great space, isn't it? Shall we go to another part of the train? Maybe.
I'd love to.
Let's go.
Thanks. The design of the Coradia Max is really beautiful.
Yeah, it's well done, and it's also optimized for aerodynamics, also optimized for acoustics, and it's very energy efficient.
Wow.
And, yeah, it's absolutely great.
Awesome. Also, am I allowed in the driver's cabin?
Well, we can make an exception.
Thanks. Wow, the driver's cabin.
Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it? It's a great working space. We have a great driver's window. We have even side windows extended to the floor. For the driver, we have some additional cameras for him to survey the train operation. And yes, why don't you have a seat?
Thanks, I will. Wow, it's super comfortable. I might become a train driver.